Okay people, so here I have an Audi door and this is the wire for the mirror. They're all the same, but I just want to show you as a little tip about this lock connector. So obviously you pull this red bit out, push it up and it comes out. Now some doors you can't fit this through the opening, but just so you know, this separates into two little pieces, makes the connection smaller so it will fit through. You have a little area here, a little tab that you just need to lift up, and then it separates. Let me show you. There you go. And there you go. It's a lot smaller and it will fit through the hole now. Hopefully that helps some of you. Tip of the day.